karibuni sana. Welcome back to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. To the new subscribers and the returning subscribers, thank you so much. We don't take it for granted that you support this channel through subscribing, through commenting, through actually appreciating the work that we do, and also liking the video. We really appreciate and thank you so much once again. And today I have a special request to make. Guys, I am shooting very great content about Jamaica, and you all know. Kindly share the video so that it can reach as many people as possible, so that we can make many people know about how great Jamaica is. So kindly share to your friends, share to your relatives, share the video and tell them to subscribe and actually to like the video. I'm going to appreciate that a lot. Now today, I want to shoot something about Jamaica. And before I go to the content for today, I want to say that yesterday I talked about the unity that is amongst the Jamaican people and the way they are able to hold their sisters and their brothers' hand, those that are unfortunate. And therefore, I found this a great gesture in the Jamaican people, amongst the Jamaican community. And today, I realized something, that whatever touches Jamaican soil prospers, becomes excellent, becomes good. And before I highlight some of the great things that Jamaicans have actually been able to achieve and have been able to conquer in the whole world, let me remind you that there are several YouTubers who have stepped on Jamaican soil. And whenever they stepped on Jamaican soil, they exploded in terms of views, in terms of revenue, in terms of fame, in terms of all that. Let me start by giving an example of Dee Mwango. When Dee Mwango arrived in Jamaica, she was not as known as she's known today. Because when Dee Mwango arrived in Jamaica, her channel exploded with the number of views that came to her channel, and also she got a lot of revenue. There is one of my video I have actually indicated the money Dee Mwango got from Jamaica. And therefore it is like whenever you step on Jamaican soil, you are blessed, you are enlarged, and you become so prosperous. We have seen with Old Maya and Miss Trudy, they first came to Jamaica before they had actually, their channels were having very many subscribers. But when they arrived in Jamaica, it's like their channels exploded. And that is why sometimes we ask ourselves, why do people want to go to Jamaica? It's because of the love they receive from the Jamaican people, the support they receive from the people of Jamaica, and the generosity they receive from Jamaican people. And therefore, I have come to realize that whoever arrives in Jamaican soil prospers. We have seen other YouTubers, Irina, and there is also another lady, I don't know whether she's Katarina or something like that. She's a YouTuber in Jamaica, but from another country. And we have seen them growing at a very alarming rate. You can ask yourself, in December 2024, there are so many celebrities that came to Jamaica. And I tend to think these celebrities do not just come to enjoy the beauty of Jamaica. They come because they get a lot of support in Jamaica, and Jamaican people themselves, they don't bother them. They don't disturb them. They don't see them as high. You know, if a celebrity comes to Kenya or any other country, we see they are given privileges. They are highly rated. But in Jamaica, people don't, or rather, they are not so excited about celebrities, and therefore celebrities feel safe to go to Jamaica because they will not have a lot of attention. But my video was not about all that. My video today was to show you why Jamaica always shines. And rather, I would say that Jamaica is always on the forefront. It has done so many things in a very excellent way. Whatever they start to do, it prospers. You know, sometimes we read in Deuteronomy, I'm a Bible lover, I love reading the Bible. And in Deuteronomy 28, we read of the people of Israel, and God was telling them, when you obey me, when you follow my commands, I will bless your going out and your coming in. I will bless whatever you touch with your hands. I will bless your baskets, and I will bless. In other words, God was promising the people of Israel to bless everything they touch with their hands. And I want to say, Jamaicans are so blessed in everything they intend to do. Maybe you can argue with me and tell me, love, why are you saying that? I'm going to prove to you today that Jamaicans are very good at what they put their hands to do. Many people ask themselves, or rather people ask, how is Jamaica able to produce the fastest people in the world, and yet it's a small island? This is because I will come with another video to tell you the reasons for that. But the first reason why Jamaicans are very good at what they do is because they are hard workers, they are determined, they are actually prone to excellence. They love excellence. Whatever they do it with all their hearts, with all their souls, and that is why they prosper. And there is a lot of hard work put into it. So I've just told you one of the areas that Jamaicans have done in a very excellent way. Jamaica has produced the world fastest runners all over the world. They have produced the most, or rather the fastest runners in the world. Not women, not men. In all areas, the athletes of Jamaica excel. They have achieved very many gold medals in many Olympics. We have seen in Tokyo, Japan, Jamaica received a lot of gold medals, and in so many Olympic competitions, they have managed to get so many gold medals, silver, and bronze. Jamaica has also produced the world famous boxers. They don't just do well in athletics, they do well even in boxing, and they have produced the world famous boxers, the world famous cricketers, the world famous cyclists, the world famous footballers, the world famous weightlifters, and the world famous lestering, from the word lestering. I didn't know that Jamaica are good at all this. Actually, it was a shock to me to realize that Jamaicans are very good in cycling, they are very good in weight lifting, they are very good in lestering, and also very good in boxing. They are world famous, they have produced world famous boxers, they have produced cricketers, they have produced weightlifters, they have produced footballers, and they have produced lesterers. This is a very unique characteristics of the people of Jamaica. Being all round, they can participate in football and win, they can participate in weightlifting and win, they can participate in cycling and win, they can participate in football, boxing, and all these competitions. Jamaica have produced the world famous in all this. This is a very unique thing in a country the size of Jamaica and with the population of Jamaica. being the best in all this. And that is why I started by saying, whatever touches Jamaican soil prospers and becomes excellent. These people that are born in Jamaica, raised in Jamaica, and have always been in Jamaica, they have done great things to make Jamaica shine in the world's record. They have broken a record in athletics, they have broken records in boxing, they have broken records in cricketing, in all these fields, and that makes Jamaica to be a very special nation. Jamaica has also some of the best coaches in the world, and no wonder they shine in athletics. It seems that Jamaica has produced some of the best coaches in all these fields, and that is why, in athletics specifically, and that is why they are very, very good in athletics. And by the way, guys, I realized that one of the reasons why Jamaica do well in athletics is because Jamaica starts their training for athletics at a very early age. Here in Kenya, I think we start the athletic training after high school or even in high school. And somebody who is in high school is above 14 years. But I realized that Jamaicans start their training at a very, very early age. Some even start at age 8, others at age 10, age 12, and that is why, trained by these excellent coaches, they excel in the world. So you can see that even the coaches that actually train these athletes are the best in the whole world. And you can imagine, this is just a small island. I keep on repeating that because it is amazing to see how Jamaica shines, and yet it's a small island with very low population. Jamaica is amongst the countries with the greatest tourist attraction destinations. Remember that Jamaica has been rated one of the greatest tourist attraction destinations in the world because of its beautiful island, natural beauty, and artificial beauty. Last December, and I think I had mentioned that earlier, there were so many celebrities that flocked Jamaica. And it was actually not a wonder because Jamaica is used to being visited by people from high levels in life, people from very high class in life, because of its beauty, because of the people of Jamaica and their warm welcome and their ability to make people feel at home. And that is why Jamaica is rated as one of the greatest tourist attraction destinations in the world. Jamaica has developed also digital surfaces. Jamaicans are not just good in athletics, in football, in wrestling, in cycling, in all these games. Jamaicans have brain, have beauty, have the ability to participate in all these athletics, or in all these, what can I call them? In all these games, and actually win. Apart from that, Jamaicans have very good brains. And like I had said earlier, Jamaica has developed digital surfaces like software development, e-commerce, and cyber security. We know that cyber security is actually the in thing in this 22nd century. Cybersecurity is a course that actually shows a country the risks they are facing in some of the sensitive areas in that country. And therefore, Jamaicans producing the best cybersecurity, then it is going far. It has developed a lot in terms of digital surfaces. They offer digital surfaces like software development, e-commerce, and cybersecurity. In other words, the expertise in Jamaica are hired to do these services in other areas. And you can see how Jamaica has gone far in terms of digital services. Jamaica is the top in export of rum, beer, and roots and tubers. Jamaicans are very, very good when it comes to agricultural. And therefore, we can see they are the top exporters of rum. Actually, Jamaicans have the best rum in the whole world, the best beer. We have talked about it so many times, the best coffee. And therefore, they export this rum, beer, and roots and tubers. And they also export coffee and other things that I cannot mention all of them. So Jamaica has proved time and again that they are the best when it comes to all these areas that I have mentioned. Apart from that, Jamaica do mining. There are so many minerals that are mined in Jamaica. And we have talked about them in other videos. So you can see that Jamaica is good at so many things that we cannot be able to actually mention all of them. Remember that Jamaicans are also very good in fashion, very good in innovations. We have talked about it. They have done innovation in medical area, in agriculture. They have done a lot of innovation, and therefore I tend to think that whatever steps on Jamaican soil actually becomes excellent. And that was the video for today. Thank you once again for watching us. See you during the next video. Bye-bye. And God bless.